Let's meet Emily, a homemaker. Last week, she noticed mold growing on the wall of her basement due to dampness. She was frustrated with the musty smell and decided to buy a home dehumidifier. So, Emily searched on the internet and found Bright Air at the top of the result list. Quickly, she explored their collection, chose her desired item and placed an order. The following day, a branded home dehumidifier arrived at her doorstep. Emily was overjoyed with their product, which had modern settings like overdrive protection, nano filter, and so on. So, like her, do you also want to buy the best home dehumidifier in the UK? Browse the collection of Bright Air. Check out brightair.co.uk or call 01 299 21 2747 for more details.